Hello, everyone. This is Kateri with Kateri's Crafty Ideas. Just wanted to come to you and let you know that the Golden Girls are getting together tomorrow at 12 Eastern Standard Time p.m. And we are going to be working on our piano rolls. So if you have piano rolls and you want to maybe come and join us, make something with us, post in the group, or maybe even join us on the panel, please message me and let me know. Otherwise, we will see you tomorrow at 12 noon. Tomorrow, which is Friday the 3rd, January the 3rd. So, hope to see everyone there. Have a wonderful evening. Bye bye.